Hi, I'm John from Scopestack, and I want to walk you through our Workstation replacement and OS upgrade statement of work template. Here's me, and here's my client. They need 20 new workstations and an SOW pretty fast. So I know you're looking for some new workstations around the office. Just have a few questions before we get started. Sounds good. Let's do it. So first off, how many new workstations are you thinking? Do you want the same device for every employee? Maybe just give me some details around that. Yeah, okay, so we need about 20 new workstations, and I think we just all use the same device. Okay, great. So for each new machine, do you want any specific applications preloaded? And remind me again, you use Microsoft 365, right? Yeah, actually we do. So it'd be great if they were preloaded ahead of time. Okay, great, so that should be very easy. That gives me enough information to give you an estimate right now. A workstation replacement with some preloaded software was super easy for this client. Before I even left the meeting, I was able to get them an estimate to get the ball rolling.